Hello everyone, I am CS Ishika Agrawal and I have started with the CA Foundation revision series in which I explain all the formats and do's and don'ts and important points to remember of all the writing practice chapters of CA Foundation BCR. So in today's video, we are going to discuss chapter 10 part 1, that is formal letter, in the shortest and the best manner possible. Other chapters are also available in the same YouTube channel. You can find the link in the description box below. You can find the CA Foundation BCR revision playlist, right? तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. We'll start with the formal letter. First, I'll explain you the format of the formal letter, and then I will tell you the do's and don'ts. What is the format of the formal letter? First, you have to write the sender's address. You can write any address you want, and for the saving of time, just memorize any two address and just memorize any address from the starting, that this I will write in sender's address, this I will write in receiver address. So you don't have to waste time in thinking what address I should write during the examination. Think it beforehand. So first you have to write sender address, then date, then receiver's name or receiver's designation, either receiver's name or receiver's designation, or you can write both also if both is given in question. Then you have to write receiver's address, then you have to write salutation, that is dear sir oblique ma'am, and after that you have to write the subject. After that you have to write the content, and in content you can divide it into multiple paragraph like intro, body, conclusion. Then you can write complimentary close, which is CC. You can write either yours sincerely or yours faithfully. Then you can write your signature. In your signature you don't have to sign, rather you have to write the sender's name, and at last you have to write sender's designation. So this is the format of the formal letter which you can use in all the type of formal letters. So in your book, there are 7 types of formal letter given. Basically your letter writing comes for 5 marks in your examination, so you should not spend more than 7 minutes in your letter writing. So this format I have already told you a few points about rules regarding salutation. If you are writing the name, then don't write dear and first name, and don't write dear and full name. Along with dear, you can only write dear Mr. then surname. Like you cannot write dear Mr. Mukesh Ambani, it's wrong. Sorry, either you write only first name or you write Mr. and then last name. Like if you write dear Mukesh, is it right? Yes, it is right. But dear Ambani, is it right? No, it is wrong. Dear Mr. Ambani, is it right? Yes. Dear Mr. Ambani is right. Dear Mr. Mukesh is right? No. Along with Mr., Mrs., you this title you cannot use first name. Along with title you can only use last name. Like Mr. is the title, along with this you can only use last name, like dear Mr. Ambani, this is right, or dear Mukesh, this is also right. Or if you don't know the name, you can write dear sir or dear ma'am. If you don't know whether the person is male or female, you can write dear sir oblique ma'am, dear sir oblique madam, like dear sir oblique madam. And usually how do we write madam? In madam na d is silent, so we write ma, ma apostrophe then am, dear sir oblique ma'am. This is how you can write the salutation. So here one very basic thing which you have to remember, that don't use title along with first name. You can use title only along with the surname, and if you don't know the name, then you can write dear sir ma'am. So these are some basic rules regarding the salutation which you have to take care while writing the letters. Now ma'am, in your ICI syllabus, study material, 7 types of letters are there, like letter of inquiry, purchase order letter, sales letter, a promotion letter, inquiry letter. So 7 types of letters are there. In all the 7 types of letter, the good thing is format is shame to shame. Format is total same. The same format you have to follow in all the 7 types of letter. Just in few letters you can interchange this 2 point. Like in few letters subject is written first after salutation. However, you can write subject first then salutation, or you can write salutation first or subject. You can interchange these two things. There's no hard and fast rule regarding this, right? So I guess you would definitely be able to write the letter. Just you can refer to the demo or the yeah, reference letter given in your ICI study material. You can refer to these letters. I'm not gonna discuss one by one all the letters, it will take so much time. This is just a format revision video in and two do's and don'ts. So basically my motive is to guide you what is the right format and what things you have to take care while writing the letter. So this is your format which you have to take care. Now few things which you have to take care while writing the letter. Please make sure that the format is correct. If you mess with the format, you will lose your marks. In your body part, change it into 2 to 3 paragraphs and leave a line between the paragraphs. Don't use indentation. Indentation means don't give a blank space before writing. Like sometimes we do now, like we start writing from here. No, start writing from the extreme left corner. Even if you change the paragraph, then also start writing from the extreme left corner. Don't use indentation. You can use simple language, no need to use very technical language. Please make sure that your grammar is correct, okay? And please mention reason for writing the letter in the first paragraph. When you start your letter, in your first paragraph, you write reason for writing the letter. Example, I am writing an inquiry letter. So in the body part, I will write this letter is to inquire about this thing, right? So in your first paragraph in body, right, mention the reason for writing the letter. Take care of this important points, and that's all about the letter writing, chapter number 10 part 1. In next video, I'll discuss chapter number 10 part 2, that is business correspondence, right? I hope this video is helpful. In case of any doubt, you can contact me in Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, anywhere. I'll surely clear your doubts. Keep learning, because the more you learn, the more you grow, and the more you grow, the more you achieve. Take care. Bye bye.